Welcome to the Technician and Manager Training for Cleaning Kitchen Exhaust Systems. This comprehensive program is designed for both those who are already cleaning and those who want to learn how to clean. In the course, you will learn about the common challenges in extraction systems and how to address them efficiently, the most effective techniques and tools to thoroughly clean extraction systems, learn how to issue cleaning certificates, prepare detailed technical reports, and develop accurate budgets. Discover how to promote and differentiate your cleaning service to stand out in the marketplace. With practical, results-oriented content, this course will equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to excel in the extraction cleaning industry. Get ready to transform your business and achieve your career goals.